Hey everyone. So last night, or well, yesterday afternoon, I got some happy mail from Pamela's Creations. If you have not watched her, you should go and check out her channel. I'll leave it down below in the description and put a little card up here. Yeah, so go check her out. I think you guys would love her videos. She does a lot of different things with yarn, beading, diamond painting now. Yeah, so let's see what Happy Mail she sent me. Is it Happy Mail, Friend Mail? How do you guys want to say it? Boy, she taped this up good. Oh, Pam. Woman. She sent me a diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. Oh my goodness. She sent me a card. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Aw. No, Pam, thank you. I love you, my friend. You did not have to do this. Oh my gosh. So let's see which one. Pam! Look which one she sent me. I have her in my wish list. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Aw, I love her. Pam, that is way too much. Way too much. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Let's open her up. Wow. Oh my gosh, Pam. I'm gonna cry. That is just way too much, sweetie. Excuse me. Now you guys know that I love Diamond Art Club and Hannah, I believe Hannah Lynn. Maybe it'll say it on the canvas. Look at those colors. Now this is the Lady Liberty. And I just love her. Oops, drop it. So 44 colors. Looks like there are 2 ABs. Wow, look at her. I love her. I love her. Oh my gosh, Pam. You can't pull it out. It doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure this is a Hannah Lynn. But look at her. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Let's see where, so 1 and 2. looks like in her top. And then I'm trying to see where the ones are. Oh, and up here in the crown. And of course in the fireworks as well. Oh, she's so beautiful. Pam, thank you. Oh my gosh, way too much. I just love you. You are such a sweetheart. Thank you so much, sweetie. Oh, you guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay. Before I start crying on camera and acting like a fool, I'm gonna let you guys go. I need to get a hold of you, Pam. Thank you so much. I just love you. You guys go check her out for real. She's got some really great videos, so I'm going to let you guys go, like I said, and I will see you guys next time. I love y'all. And as always, don't forget to smile. Bye-bye.